Aldous Harding, and this is called What If Birds Aren't Singing, They Are Screaming.
What if birds aren't singing, they're screaming? I got high, I thought I saw an angel, but it was just a ghost hidden under his cloak. He was making wooden posts out of my memory. What if birds aren't singing, they're screaming? What if birds aren't singing, they're screaming? What if my moon gets caught up in her whining? Trapped under the sky, they're slaved, blacker than the eyes of my visitors. What if birds aren't singing, they're screaming? What if birds aren't singing, they're screaming? I got high, I thought I saw an angel, but it was just a ghost hidden under his cloak. He was whittling these little wooden posts out of my family. What if birds aren't singing, they're screaming? What if birds aren't singing, they're screaming?
Aldous Harding, known to her folks as Hannah Top, and I do remember the first time, as I say, she was so quiet but mischievous and playful with it, and obviously supremely talented. And every time that she's come in to play for us, she's just expanded and just got more and more confident and more brilliant, you'd have to say. There are some tour dates. She's got H Hawkline opening for her as well, and so I will give you those dates a little bit later on. This is Griff Reese.